Have you ever wondered why you're doing everything right but still not losing weight? Before you blame your metabolism, hormones, or medication, ask yourself this. Are you eating consistently, drinking enough water, and moving your body every day? These three habits may seem simple, but they're often the biggest missing piece of the weight loss puzzle. Weight loss doesn't require perfection, it requires consistency. This week, we're focusing on the three pillars of weight loss success. If one of these pillars is weak, your progress can slow down no matter what diet you're following. Pillar number one, don't skip meals. Many people skip breakfast or go long periods of time without eating because they're busy trying to eat less to lose weight. The problem is skipping meals often leads to intense hunger later in the day, making it much easier to overeat or crave high-calorie foods. And that's not food noise, it's hunger. Call it what it is. The goal isn't necessarily to eat breakfast because someone told you. The goal is to avoid becoming so hungry that your next meal controls you instead of you controlling your choices. Ask yourself, do I skip meals because I'm busy? Do I overeat in the evening? Would eating earlier help control my appetite? Find a routine that works for your schedule, but avoid long gaps without eating. Pillar 2, drink enough water. I'll be honest, this is actually the pillar I struggle with the most. I don't love the taste of plain water, and because I spend so much of my day talking with patients, appointments after appointment, I simply forget to drink. If I struggle with this, I know many of you do too. Water does so much more than help keep you hydrated. It helps support every major muscle function or body function. It improves digestion and reduces constipation. Help you recognize the difference between hunger and thirst. Support healthy metabolism and overall energy. My personal goal is drinking 80 ounces of water a day. Some things that help me is to include filling my Stanley Cup, my 40-ounce Stanley Cup, twice in a day. I know if I drink 2 of those, then I'm good to go for the day. And I also use water enhancements. I'm okay with that. And I challenge myself that every time I see that cup, I have to drink 3 sips. Pillar number 3, move your body. Exercise doesn't have to be complicated. The American Heart Association recommends 20 to 30 minutes of movement most days or around 10,000 steps each day. Regular movement helps preserve muscle, support your metabolism, improve heart health, reduces stress, and make maintenance easier. The best weight loss strategy or exercise strategy is not the one that is the hardest. It is the one that you can complete. Which pillar needs the most attention right now? For me, it's drinking enough water. Maybe for you, it's eating consistently. Maybe it's finding 20 minutes to move your body. Choose one pillar and intentionally improve it every day this week. Small, consistent actions create lasting results. Remember, successful weight loss isn't built on motivation. It's built on habits. Master these 3 pillars one habit at a time, and you'll create a lifestyle that supports your health long after the weight is gone. This week's homework: identify one pillar you struggle with the most. Eating consistently, drinking enough water, moving your body daily. Write down one small action you'll take this week to strengthen that pillar. Then practice it every single day, because every health habit you repeat today is an investment in the person you're becoming tomorrow.